Yeah, what's happening, everyone? I just thought I'd do an unboxing. I've got a rather large box to unbox. A bit bigger than my normal record size boxes. Anyway, what's in the box? What's in the box was a nice surprise. I didn't know this was coming. I'll show you what it is, guys. Obviously, since my diagnosis of ADHD and all that, I'm on a special register with my power company, EDF. I'm entitled to some things, and they sent me some winter things. I'll show you what I mean. Also, I'm trying to put my phone somewhere. That might be okay. Oh. Anyway, guys, what we got in the box are lots of heat-saving devices and all sorts of stuff. Anyway, the first thing, I'll just grab some random stuff. Window insulation kits. Foam weather strips. An electric hot water bottle. No batteries required. Just gets even better. A big roll of insulation stuff to go behind your radiators. I've already had this out of the box. A luxury heated throw, which is really warm. I've just thrown that over me and turned it on. Another weather strip. That's not it all. Basically, it's a charity that's linked to EDF. It's called Chariot. Anyway, another window insulation kit. I might try one. And two ever ready 100-watt bulbs. Another couple of bulbs. A thermos flask. And last but not least, Stay Warm electric underblanket. A double electric blanket. Quite happy with that. That's quite nice, this heated throw. So I've just cleaned up in here and hoovered, so I'm going to sort this lot out. Electric hot water bottle, eh? Oh right. It's already sealed, is it? With liquid in it of some description. Wow. Check that out, guys. Oh wow, that's where it plugs in though. I would imagine. It's going to save me loads of money. So I've just retuned the 42-inch telly.
So Joey Essex didn't win Splash.
I didn't think he did.
He competed, but he didn't win. So are you ready now?
Right, yeah.
Okay? Your time starts now.
Right, I'm going over to the chase because I know that one.
Alright, that goes under there, does it?
2 minutes. Shoot the light. Is it true?
Alright, you heat it up like that then, I guess. That's mad. So it's still self-contained.
Right, this might have a bit. Oh, it's through these two.
Ready to use in 15 minutes.
Oh, I need to go forward,
Just
really.
over 2 minutes.
Right, I'm going on this one.
Truth or lie?
5 hours of warm.
Lie, you half your money down to £400.
Sit back on the green.
Whatever you want. You've got nothing else to do.
Free field, simply plug in.
Look at that.
Happy days.
Right, on your line third.
That is the truth. That opens up Paul's drag race. You can Neil Bailey strictly come down.
Anyway, guys, that's me do unboxing. As for me records, I don't know where they are. Who knows? Anyway, be lucky.